Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
Gorgeous conditions tonight. We have an increase in cloud cover from the west as some storms that tried to form out there, throwing a few clouds our way. 76 degrees right now out at Hector. That wind still gusting to 22 miles per hour from the south-southeast, and dew points up to around 60 degrees as we get ready for bed tonight. All of us in the upper 60s or low 70s across the board. Some of the warmest weather, though, in the Northern Valley, where Cavalier and Grand Forks are in the mid-70s this hour. And the radar shows quiet conditions until we look off to our western counties in the James River Valley and the Devil's Lake Basin. Take a look at this from the Cheyenne area, New Rockford, down towards Carrington. We have showers drifting to the east. It's fairly light and short-lived, and will continue to work its way off to the east and southeast as we go through the evening hours. Tonight, we were expecting more development, quite frankly, in western North Dakota. We had a blob of storms work their way into the Regina area, and now some are working into central parts of southern South Dakota. So our forecast earlier, you may remember or recall that we had a chance of some morning showers and storms. Because we didn't get anything forming out west, our chances are lower for morning showers and storms in the valley, minus the activity that's taking place right now in the James River Valley. As we rise and shine on our Thursday, temperatures will be 65 to 70 for most, with clouds making their way through, and the south wind we have now will continue through the morning hours. As we start our day, we'll quickly notice temperatures rising to around 80 degrees. Through midday, it looks quiet, and then in the afternoon, we'll have the development and a chance for some strong storm development. The best chance for storms tomorrow, southeast North Dakota into parts of central Minnesota as we go through the afternoon. Temperatures will have a chance before the storms fire, though, to reach the mid, maybe even upper 80s in a couple of locations. As we go through the early evening, these storms will continue to work their way off to the east and fairly quickly exit our viewing area. So our storm chances will be, say, from 3 in the afternoon through about 8 p.m. across our viewing area, and then it looks quiet for the remainder of the evening. And look at this, the wind speeds taper off for many of us on our Thursday night. Your planning forecast for Fargo, start the day off near 70 degrees. We'll have a few clouds out there. Shower chances, yes, we have them, but the chances are quite low. Southwest winds continue at 10 to 20 miles per hour, 85 to 87 in the afternoon. And again, from about 5 o'clock until 8 o'clock in Fargo, a chance for some storms and points south and points east. So your afternoon planner looks like temperatures in the low to mid 80s across central portions of North Dakota. The Red River Valley will have the warmth, 88 in Grand Forks, 87 for Fargo, with thunder chances moving from southeast North Dakota into Lakes Country fairly quickly during our dinner hour. Those storms could be strong to severe. Large hail, damaging wind will be the primary threats. As we go through the evening, here's the highlighted area. This may change by morning based on our forecast changes, but suffice it to say, if you see thunderstorms forming tomorrow, they could be severe. John capturing a lighted view of the bridge in Grand Forks. What a beautiful shot with the colorful sunset as well. A windy day on Friday, but dry, 84 degrees. How about the weekend, you say? Well, Hutch says it's going to be hot on Saturday, near 90 degrees. Sunday, a little bit of refreshment. It comes with a chance of some scattered showers and storms. Next week, we stay in the 80s. So 80s across the board there, with a few rain and thunder chances.
Is it looking a little bit more like the last few weeks we had a lot of rain?
Not as humid.
Okay.
And it looks like our rain chances are going to be kind of hit and miss as far as the viewing area, as opposed to the widespread things that we saw earlier.
All right, you're off the hook. Thank you.
Later on Valley News.